Hello, everybody. This is Kostas, and I'm gonna show you very fast once again how amazing is Artistly. Okay, this is a great uh, one-time payment platform that it gives you the ability to create unlimited uh, images, anything that you want, and uh, Paul Pona, they did a great job here because they connected this platform with the Video Express. So if you already have Video Express AI, you can easily create all your images from here and then transfer them with just one click to the other program. On that way, you can create amazing videos. So I'm gonna show you, sorry, uh, very fast how we can do the easiest thing and the a very very important thing for me because I create a lot of videos and I spend a lot of time on creating the videos or um, you know creating the details and the description under the video, and I want to save enough time on creating the image and in fact the thumbnail of the video. And you see, I just click here, I go to AI design agents, sorry. Okay, so the only thing I do is just go to YouTube thumbnails, select videos to thumbnail. You see, I can click recreate thumbnail, but I can even click videos to thumbnail. Here, I just paste the YouTube video URL. It's good to have a description so that Sort AI is gonna analyze Sort AI. Sorry, the Artistly is gonna analyze the video and analyze the description, and it's gonna come up, let's say, with 4 thumbnails over here and YouTube subs. Uh, Trust me, this platform, it really worth every penny that you're gonna pay about that. It's extremely cheap, and you create unlimited thumbnails. And not only that, trust me, you have so many options. You can create any kind of image. You can even create kid storybooks. You can create a t-shirt. You can create script to storybook. It creates everything for you. You just have to imagine, and you have the tool to create it. That's all. So I'm gonna just click generate thumbnails, and what is gonna do the Artistly? It's gonna move fast and prepare everything for me. So let me show you the result right away. We're waiting just to prepare everything. You see, it's really fast, and yes, let me show you one of the ones that I created before. You see here, click Sites AI. It's this kind uh, of thumbnails that I created for other project. You see here, 0 to 1 million views. Sort AI. That looks really interesting. You see here, Facts Fun. It's because this video it was about Facts Fun. Let me just refresh because sometimes it's preparing and you don't see it. But one way or the other, check this out. Check this out. It's really amazing. Shorts made easy, viral. You see? But even this one, it's really great. You can easily download the thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.